In my last video, I showed you how to make Ewedu powder. In this video, I'll be showing you how to cook Ewedu powder. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, follow me, subscribe. So I'm pouring my Ewedu powder into this bowl. Using resealable pouches like this is one of the good ways to store Ewedu powder. Next, I'll be adding some room temperature water, and I'll be adding it little by little. This is because I don't want my paste to have lumps, so the best way to do it is to add the water little by little, mix it up until you get a really thick, slimy Ewedu paste. And for those people on Facebook who said, oh, this Ewedu powder, it cannot draw when you cook it, I'm sure you can see now that it is already showing signs, amazing signs of drawing. Don't forget to go to my website for loads and loads of amazing recipes. Now, back to what I was saying. See the Ewedu powder. It is already drawing, but I need it to be thick. Now we're going to go into that next step, which is I've got some water on my cooker and I just added some potash. I also added iru, which is locust beans, but I didn't film that part. I'm so sorry, but you can see the locust beans floating on the boiling water. Now I just added my Ewedu paste and I'll be mixing it up properly just to ensure that the water and the paste all incorporates into each other. You know, give me the grammar, give me the English. So I'll cook it for 2 minutes to check the thickness first, and after 2 minutes this is what it looks like. It is too thick, too thick, so I'll be adding some water. It depends on how you like your ewedu. If you like your ewedu very thick, that's fine, but I'd like my ewedu to be not too thick and not too watery, and that is the consistency that I'm aiming for in this video. So I'll cook it for 2 more minutes, and this is it after 2 more minutes. So for taste, I like to add 1 or 2 ingredients to my ewedu, which is, here I have half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon seasoning, and I'll be mixing it in warm water to dilute everything and make sure it dissolves well before pouring it into my ewedu. This is necessary so that I won't have one part of my ewedu too salty and the other part without taste. So now, see it, after adding some more water and seasoning, it is still drawing. Hey, for my people who said ewedu powder can never draw, I'm about to prove you wrong. I'm cooking for 2 more minutes. Take a look at my ewedu. Ewedu soup is ready to be paired with your stew, with your egusi, name it. Always remember that good food should be enjoyed.